Serializing an Enum member to JSON. How do I serialize a Python Enum member to JSON, so that I can deserialize the resulting JSON back into a Python object? For example, this code results in the error. How can I avoid that?
If you want to encode an arbitrary enum.enum member to JSON and then decode it as the same enum member, rather than simply the enum member's value attribute, you can do so by writing a custom JSON encoder class, and a decoding function to pass as the object_hook argument to JSON.load or JSON.loads. The as_enum function relies on the JSON having been encoded using enum encoder, or something which behaves identically to it. The restriction to members of public_enums is necessary to avoid a maliciously crafted text being used to, for example, trick calling code into saving private information, for example a secret key used by the application, to an unrelated database field, from where it could then be exposed. See this URL. Example usage.
I know this is old, but I feel this will help people. I just went through this exact problem and discovered if you're using string enums, declaring your enums as a subclass of str works well for almost all situations. Will output. As you can see, loading the JSON outputs the string debug, but it is easily castable back into a log-level object. A good option if you don't want to create a custom JSON encoder.
The correct answer depends on what you intend to do with the serialized version. If you are going to unserialize back into Python, see Zero's answer. If your serialized version is going to another language, then you probably want to use an enum instead, which is automatically serialized as the corresponding integer. And this returns
in Python is greater than or equal to 3.7, can just use JSON.dumps enum_obj, default equals str. If you want to use the enum value, you can do JSON.dumps enum_obj, default equals lambda x column x dot value. Or if you want to use the enum name, JSON.dumps enum_obj, default equals lambda x column x dot name.
What does he want? Here's the source of